guys, welcome to my channel. It is a rainy and gloomy day today, but don't be deceived because the weather or the temperature outside is very hot. So anyway, for today, let's do a summer fresh makeup look. So initially, before I put anything on my face, I wash them with my regular facial wash, and then I don't use any foundation. However, we need a sunblock. So I'm using the Tasik Pure Oil Sun Protect. This is SPF 50+, and it's a 4-hour water resistant. It also contains aloe vera and vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. So this sunblock is also used as a primer. So put some there. And it rubs in clear on your face, so which is really good. It's a non-stick formula, so makes it even better. So that's it. And then for your cheek, I'm going to use, for my cheek actually, I'm going to use the Alticate That Drunk Blush though. This is in the shade of 02 Martha. So I won't be using any blender or anything, just squirt a little amount on your hand, on this part of your hand, rub it together, and then just dab it on your face. And it will just gonna give you like an instant blush look, but it's natural blush. Then for your lips, do you scrub your lips? I do every other day. I usually do that because it is also good to exfoliate your lips. And then afterwards, I usually put a lip mask. This is berry. This is a LANIEGE. Am I pronouncing it right? LANIEGE lip mask. I've already done that before. So I'm gonna put a lip liner. So this is in a shade of Felisa. So this is more of a like a combination of a pinkish, brownish, nude shade of your of the lip liner. So let's line my lips here. So that's the outer line. We have to fill in more. The reason why I put a thick line because lip liner because I don't use any lipsticks. And then afterwards, it's gonna be using the Stila lip gloss. This is in the shade of Synergy. And then that's it. Off you go. You're all ready. See, it's very quick, very simple. So this is my summer fresh makeup look, guys. You don't really need a heavy makeup during this time of the year because the weather is so yucky and muggy and it's very hot. You just need something light and that won't make you look pale at all. So if you want to know where I got these products from or what are the products that I've used on my face for this video, please check on the description box below. I'm gonna be writing them all down there. And I think that's all for now, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.